Hey, I'm Jay, and today we're going to be installing the transmission mount bushing insert kit on this 2015 Audi Q5. This kit will cover the platforms for most all B8s as well as the C7 A6. So let's get started. The bushing insert mount is a super simple job, so you only need a couple tools for it. You need a ratchet and a torque wrench, as well as an M10 triple square to get the old hardware out, and a 6mm Allen to get the new hardware in. Let's get started. Our first step is to get your car in the air. We've got a lift, so it makes it nice and easy, but you can probably use jack stands. And then all you're gonna do is remove these two bolts, remove the insert, and we'll put in our new one. All right, next, we'll just lubricate our insert real quick with the provided lubricant in the kit, so it slides in nicely. Now we will insert it into the allotted space and install our new hardware. We'll get these tightened and torqued down. And we will tighten these to 20 Newton meters. Well, obviously that was a super simple job. You can find a link to the product down in the description. And if you want to see any other specific DIYs, let us know in the comments. You can also see our other DIY videos right here on this playlist. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check back for more enthusiast content.